Yin balayat kumba shisnam tam gajingmi ka hukum naga sorkar ban khang kamaya ki arshaka ki bakamay ling baka apps rapido da ka bale online ya offline ban penpoya ki brio ki balet bawan na kawe ka jaka shakawe pat hakaleng kanong ba shilong namar ka don gajing kamay ka balong bean na kalyang ka kanhun ki nong nya rapido nakapor shakapor kilalet banya kendo ya ki tanat sorkar baper bandawa ban ituno ya ki bakilong ki babit ban kamay ban aino ya ki da ka permit kumbalong lem ki local taxi Henry hakani gajing dawa kat haduk menta kampat syam la urlong. Kumta menta kasngi pale ka arpau tarik naitung arja arpau lai. Kani ka kanhun jong kinong nya rapido kabalatip kum ka right to serve. Kalalet banya kendu ya menteri ka tanat transport ubat senya bahalang dahar. Ban pen kan mau biang sasisien syaka sorkar. Ban pen urlong no ya gajing dawa jongki. Bat habayo banyak keren bat menteri. Ulaya tu bana kaliang jong ka sorkar kam shimrai halor gajing dawa jongki. Bat na kaliang jong ulaong ba unsara syaka kanhun menteri. Banyak keren nya kane kamar.
That's the duty. My duty is to give first the permit and document, and then I'll see if there is any complaint from the public. That is a normal process. No, that I have to pass first in the cabinet. No, I have to pass first. Okay, we'll make them register, we'll give them permit. Only then what are the offline, online, it's up to them. Yeah, if it affects the people of the state, and if somebody complains, I'll take action against the complaint. First we'll pass first in the cabinet, we'll make them legal, and then we'll put the fees annually or whatever it may be, and then the process how to move in the city. So there is a guideline to guide them. The first application I get today, really. I don't know about the last one yet. Today is the first, and I'll get passed in the cabinet in a few days. Today is the first application I got. It may be 1-2 years. You are right, but no complaint how I'll take action as a minister. Then we make them legal first, and then I will come with the rules and regulations. That's why I won't allow. Frankly speaking, illegally I won't allow. That's why though, I'm here to study fast. Today the report came from them. I have to see the report from my department. So the law will take action accordingly. Since this thing come to my knowledge, we will do accordingly what we should do for the government.